Welcome to our chatbot session. Go to Google AI Studio. First, open your web browser and visit Google AI Studio. Sign in to your Google account. If you are not already signed in, log in using your Google credentials. Click the Gemini API tab. Once inside Google AI Studio, find and select the Gemini API tab from the menu. Click Get API Key in Google AI Studio. Now, look for the option to get an API key and click on it. Review and agree to the terms of service. Before generating the key, you will need to review and accept the terms of service. Click Create API Key. Once you agree to the terms, click the Create API Key button to proceed. Choose to create an API key in a new project or an existing project. You will be given the option to generate an API key for a new project or link it to an existing project. Choose the one that fits your needs. Copy the generated key to your clipboard. After the API key is created, copy it to your clipboard and store it securely. Instead of hard coding it in your script, create a new file in your project directory called env. Inside this file, paste the API key in a secure format. This keeps it hidden from public access and protects it from unauthorized use. Install the required Python libraries. Before using the API, install the necessary Python libraries. You need to install the Gemini AI library to interact with the API and the .env library to securely load environment variables. Open your terminal or command prompt and install these libraries. Import the required libraries. In your Python script, import the AI library, the OS module to access system variables, and the .env library to securely load the API key. These libraries will allow you to connect to the Gemini API and generate AI-powered responses. Load the API key. Use the .env function to load the environment file and retrieve the API key. This ensures that the key remains hidden and protected while allowing your script to access it securely. Configure the Gemini API. Once the API key is loaded, configure the Gemini AI library by setting up the key in your script. This step establishes a connection between your program and the AI service, enabling communication. Create a function to interact with the AI. Define a chatbot function that takes user input and sends it to Gemini AI. The function should process the response from the AI and return it as text. Set up a chatbot loop. Create a continuous loop that allows users to enter messages and receive AI-generated responses. The chatbot will keep running until the user types exit to stop the conversation. Run the script. Save your Python script and run it in the terminal or command prompt. Start chatting with Gemini AI and receive real-time responses. Conclusion. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Gemini AI into your Python project. Your chatbot can now process user input and generate AI-powered responses in real time. You can enhance it further by adding features such as voice input, a graphical user interface, or memory retention. Keep experimenting and improving your chatbot. Happy coding!